I am so excited to tell you about my newest video sweater class, Simone, Customize Your Own Yoke Sweater. Now, the video class comes with two fully written, fully charted patterns, one for the Simone top and one for the Simone tee. And they each come in 12 sizes. Now, if you've never knit a circular yoke before, you can definitely just knit one of the examples as written, and you're still going to learn a ton about circular yoke construction, what makes it work. And there's videos, tutorials to help you every step of the way from swatching to finishing. But for the more adventuresome knitters, there are tutorials for customization and fit. There'll be tutorials to work with a different row gauge, a different stitch gauge. If you want to change the body length, body shape, like A-line, straight, or waist shaping, changing sleeve length. We'll learn about what controls and how to change neck depth and neck width. But most importantly is you'll learn how to make a circular yoke really fit you. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's trickier to get a great fit on a circular yoke than, say, a set-in sleeve with all those pieces, each to customize exactly as you want them. But it's not impossible. We're going to learn about mixing raglan shaping along with yoke shaping. We'll learn all sorts of tricks like changing the arm divide, working different sizes. But most importantly, we'll learn about what makes a chart for a yoke work so it actually fits you without the dreaded fold back. As with all my new video sweater classes, I launch it as a knit along. Well, because it's fun and because you all love prizes. So read the notes below for all the information. The entire pattern will drop at once, but the videos and the tutorials will come out on the schedule to keep us all working together and having fun. We can all post our pictures and our oohs and ahs on our community group. The class will be hosted on my fully interactive education platform, education.pattylyons.com. There you can click the little speech bubble and ask questions. The videos are streaming and downloadable. You can even change the speed. There's a community group. And best of all, the class is yours to keep forever. And during the knit along, you can order the fabulous Green Mountain Spinnery yarn at 10% off. So whether or not you knit the top or the tee or both, you're going to learn a ton about yoke sweater construction and get a sweater that really fits you well. Hope to see you in class.